In your Simple Members account, you have various settings which you can enable and disable at any time. The ones I want to show you today are cash register settings. You'll find that in your settings page and then cash register settings. So let's go through each one of these and I'll talk about what they each do. So you've got a Rebook Reminder here, and if you've got that ticked, it's enabled. It means at the end of a transaction while the client is still standing there, a Rebook Reminder will pop up on the screen and you can ask the client if they would like to rebook then and there. The next one is your advanced discounting. If you have this ticked, then it's enabled. And this means that you can create different discounts that you can save, and then in point of sale, while your client's sale is up, you can actually apply a specific discount to that sale and the figures will update. So this also means that you have an advanced discounting report in your report section, so all discounts that are being applied to sales can be tracked. Receipt printer attached. If you have any kind of printer, whether it be receipt printer or an A4 printer, you can have this one ticked, which will make sure Simple Members is talking to your printer. Force operator at sale just means that when you're adding a product to a sale, or if you're adding an additional service to a client's sale, you do need to select the operator who's selling that item before you can proceed. Auto scan, automatically click scan when clients are added. Advanced end of day, this just means at the end of the day it's a more advanced process in counting your cash, checking that your credit cards, your FPOS statements, your checks are all balanced and correct. It will also generate a summary report at the end of the day which will summarise everything you've done. You can also have that end of day summary report automatically emailed to you by putting an email address in this field here. Soon you will be able to export the end of day to 0, but that feature is being finished at the moment. Default float value, so at the end of the process, at the end of the day, it will reset your float to this value here, so you can change that accordingly. You can choose the receipt printer format, whether it's A4 printer or receipt printer. And your email invoice template, which is the default email invoice at the moment, refers to the next setting here, which is auto email invoice. If you have that ticked, this template here will be sent to your clients at the end of a transaction with their specific receipt and invoice details. Show future appointments on receipt, fairly self-explanatory, and also show loyalty points on receipt. You can tick those if you wish. And you've got a receipt message, so you can say whatever you like and it will appear at the bottom of your receipts and invoices. Save those settings when you're done, and those are your cash register settings.